Renault Cardiff initially wanted to promote its new electric vehicle during the Green Film Festival at Chapter. The partnership developed into a beneficial sponsorship clearly focused on environmental concerns. Renault regularly lends Chapter an electric van that the Arts Centre uses to deliver magazines and marketing material. This not only reduces Chapter's costs, but significantly lessens its impact on the environment. Renault sees the partnership as a perfect way to profile its electric vehicles and underline a commitment to the locality and to the arts. The judges were unanimous that this in-kind sponsorship was a tangible example of how business-arts partnership can have a positive impact on the wider community.